rewrite a simple one I've done before, and I can fit it in 15 minutes. Absolutely. Okay, so from scratch, here's a good one. Let's do copy without formatting. One of the functions that you see on my function pad here is copy no format. So the way copy no format works is I want to copy something that might have some formatting associated with it. So if I copy something here and then I go to Google and I paste it, then it's going to be yellow, it's going to have that font, it's going to have everything associated with it. So I made it so that if I press Control-Shift-C, then I can press Control-V, and there, it's copied the formatting, kept the center aligned, which is weird, but it ditched the font, it ditched the color. So I find that a lot of the time it's useful for me to copy stuff without formatting from one program to another. So let's get that folder open. And so here's the funny thing about AutoHotkey. So really starting from scratch here, if I right click, I create a new script like this. There is no program in AutoHotkey. It's literally just this right click, create new script. So let's call this copy half, and I'll get back to the recycle bin example if I have time. So I've got copy half here, and I'm going to edit it in Notepad. Notepad++. This is also a free program that you can download and install. I'll zoom in on that. You can see I've got some custom script at the top here, so I'm going to get rid of that. This is one thing I would recommend to everybody. I always put in this thing that if I press Alt-Escape, it exits the script. So that way, if I mess something up as I'm working, it just aborts it and closes the script so that I regain control of my keyboard or my mouse. So let's make it so that F7 is going to perform our copy half. Or actually, how about I recreate that Control-Shift-C? So in AutoHotkey, if I want to say the letter C remaps to some function, which is going to be copy half, first of all, I want it to be Control-Shift-C. So let's pull this back over here. Copy text, remove formatting. That's what I called the function. So the very first thing I want to do is I want to, since the hotkey interrupts the regular like Windows Control-C, I want to send Control-C. So that this symbol here, which I guess some people refer to as it's whatever you get when you press Shift-6. That is how you send a Control key. And then I want to sleep for 150 milliseconds. This is because I found that if you start messing with the clipboard while without letting much time pass, it will just not work. Now I want to do this is the magic here. I want to say clipboard, which is a special reserved keyword, colon equals clipboard. And this is a bit of black magic. This is what takes whatever is on your clipboard and reassigns it to the special clipboard variable. And this, on its own, will make it so that all the formatting is just gone. You basically get plain text saved back into the clipboard. And then I just complete that with the return key. Now, of course, I don't want this to trigger when I just press the C key anytime. I want it to happen when I press Control-Shift-C. So Shift is the plus symbol, and for complete reference, Alt is the exclamation mark. So in theory, if I save this copy half script, I'm going to double click on it to run it, and it shows up in my taskbar on the other monitor. Let's highlight some text, maybe from my slideshow. So here, I got the word accelerate. I'm going to press Control-Shift-Alt-C, which is actually really hard to do because it's 4 characters with one hand. But I got it. So let's go over to here. And if I enter on a new line here and paste, there we go. I've got the word accelerate without the yellow formatting. Now, just to prove that that's actually working and not just a fluke, if I just press regular old Control-C and then Control-V, I've got the word accelerate with the formatting preserved. So There we go. That's a live example of creating the copy half script.
Just FYI, we're at time.
Yeah. Okay. Well, so thanks to everybody for participating in this presentation. I wasn't really expecting to get into the syntax here, but thank you so much to the XP Game Development Summit for giving me the opportunity to give this presentation. And special thanks to Jason for giving me this opportunity.